Thank you so much for ordering the Beading Buds Jewelry Making Bookmark Kit. Today I'm going to walk you through making one of these kits and showing you how to close off the kit. So the first thing that we do when we make this bookmark is we put on the beads. I like to do an ABC pattern. So my ABC pattern is going to be blue, pink, clear, blue, pink, clear. Then I'm putting in a name, and the name I chose today is Kara. So when you're putting a name on, make sure that you can read the name as you're putting the beads on. A lot of time people put the names on backwards. Just make sure the letters make sense. Okay? And then once I've done that, I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to start the way that I ended. So this time I'm going clear, pink, blue, clear, pink, blue. Once I've done that, it's time to attach the other end with a crimp bead. So you'll see that there's a little crimp bead in a plastic bag in the kit. And a crimp bead, you put the crimp bead on, then you put on the top, you go through the little hole, and then you go back only through the crimp bead. Okay? Now you want to pull it nice and tight. Okay. You don't want too much space. And you'll notice that I also went through a few of the glass beads. The reason I do this is the more kind of space that you leave, the lesser the chance of it breaking. Then I take my pliers. The pliers that I like to use are flat nose pliers. And I just squeeze the bead. I just squeeze it flat. Okay. Then I take a pair of cutting pliers, but you can also just use plain scissors, and I cut the wire off. And there's my bookmark. And you can make this bookmark as long or as short as you would like.